I am G. Veera Reddy, lecturer in computer science, JVR Government Degree College, Sattupalli, Khmmam district. Today my topic is conditional statements in JavaScript. Conditional statements. While writing a program, there may be situation when you need a adopt one of out of given set of paths. In such cases, you need to use conditional statements that allows your program to make correct decisions and perform right actions. In JavaScript supports conditional statements which are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Here we have a conditional statements we can use in JavaScript. Whenever you are using the conditional statement in JavaScript, based on the conditions, we can use the different statements, different conditional statements, where you can use the your conditional statements, if statement, if the final statement, where you can use, you can practice and get where you can use, you may select and decide what condition used in this program. Here JavaScript supports the following forms of if-else statements. These are all. First one, if statement, if-else statement, if-else if statement. First one, if statement. The if statement is the fundamental control statement of that allows JavaScript to make decisions and execute statements conditionally. Here if statement is a functional control statement. It make decisions and execute statements conditionally. What condition you can write? Syntax for the if statement. If expression statements to be executed if expression is true. Here a JavaScript expression is evaluated if the resulting value is true, the given statements are executed. If here you see, if expression is true, then the statements to be executed. Here syntax, see in the syntax, if expression is true, then statement to be executed. Okay. If the expression is false, then no statement would not be executed. Most of the time you will use compression operator while making decisions. Here flowchart for if statement. The flowchart of if statement. If statement condition. If condition is true, conditional code will run. If condition is false, then no codes. Or if condition is true, the document is executed. Otherwise, nothing. Here example for if statement. HTML body script type text JavaScript, write anything where a is equal 20. If a is less than 20, sorry, a is greater than 18, open bracket, document.write qualifies for driving. Above 18 qualifies for driving. Then close. You can see here script P, set the variable to different values and try again. Or to qualify for driving, set the variables to different values and then try. This is a simple if or simple if. If a is greater than 18, age greater than 18. Document right, qualifies for driving. If age less than 8, then no document will execute. That is the output for this statement. Then if else statement. Here if else statement is the next form of control statement that allows JavaScript to execute statement in a more controlled way. Syntax: if expression statements to be executed if expression is true, else statement to be executed if expression is false. Here you see, if expression is true, executes the some expressions. If condition is false, execute expressions where expression is false. Here JavaScript expression is evaluated if the result value is true, the given statement in the if block, and execute if the expression is false, then the given statement in the else block are executed. Flowchart for if else statement. Here condition, the condition is true, execute the statements. If condition is false, then executes the statements. This is the flowchart for the if else statement. Here example for if else statement. Same example you may take whatever it may be, where we take the example for if, same example you take here also. Here document write qualifies for driving, else document write does not qualify for the driving. If age greater than 18, if you take the age greater than 18, the age is, you may give the age is 15, then if the age is 20, okay, document right, the qualifies for driving, yes. Else part, there is no else part. If you may give age is equal to 15, then the document right for qualifies for driving, that is not execute, else part is execute, where document right does not qualifies for the driving. You may see here script set the variables to different values and try document body and HTML flows. Output does not qualify for driving. If else if statement. The if else if statement is an advanced form of if else that allows JavaScript to make a controlled decision out of several conditions. Here syntax for if else if statement. If expression 1 open bracket statements to be executed if expression 1 is true, else if expression 2 statements to be executed if expression 2 is true. If else expression 3 statements to be executed if expression 3 is true, else statements to be executed if no expression is true. There is nothing special about this code. It is just a series of if statements where each if is a part of else clause of the previous statements are executed. Based on the true condition, if none of the condition is true, then the else block is executed. If the expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 are false, then else part is executed. The statements to be executed if no expression is true. The above expression is not true, then the else part is executed. Example for this one. Here HTML, body, script type, text by JavaScript, where black mass, if book, where book mass, if book, history, document right, history book, else if book is equal to mass, document right B, mass book, else if book is equal to economics, document right B, economics book, else document right unknown book, else part is unknown book. Here you can try for the different values and then try again. Mass book, set of variables in different values and then try. You see, now you see the switch case. Starting with JavaScript 1.2, you can use switch statement which handles exactly the situation, and it is not so more effective than repeated if else if statement. The following flowchart explain a switch case statement work. Expression code black 1, code black 2 and code black 3 and code black n. Here case 1, case 2, case 3. Expression is true, case 1 is executed. Expression is case 2 is true, expression code black 2 is executed. If expression case 3 is true, then code black 3 is executed, and so on. Here syntax for switch statement. The objective of switch statement is used to give expression to evaluate and several different statements to execute based on the value of the expression. The interpreter checks each case against the value of the expression until a match is found. If nothing matches, a difficult condition will be used. Switch expression. Case condition 1 statement break. Case 2 statements break. Case condition and statements break. Default statements. Example HTML body script type. Document right entering switch black, switch grade. Case A document right, good job. Case B document right, pretty good. If you may take here example grades, you get the A grade, good job. You get the case B, pretty good. You get the case C, passed. You get the case D, not so good. If case F failed, then break. This is switch statement. Default write unknown grade, document write existing switch black. Set variables in different values. Okay, this is a output for switch. Entering switch black, good job. Exiting switch black, and you can give any type of any different values. You may check it again. The loop, while loop. The most, this is loopings in JavaScript. The most basic loop in JavaScript is while loop, which would be discussed in the chapter. The purpose of while loop is execute a statement or code block repeatedly as long as an expression is true. Once the expression becomes false, the loop terminates. Flowchart while loop looks as follows. While condition, conditional code. Condition, code black. If condition is true, code block is executed and then go to the condition, and then it repeats again and again. If condition is true, the code block executes and then go to the condition. Up to condition is true, the code block is again looping. Then if the condition is false, the exit the looping. This is the flowchart for while loop. Here syntax for while loop. In JavaScript, while expression open bracket, statement to be executed if expression is true bracket close. HTML body script type text by JavaScript, var count is equal to 0, document dot write, starting loop while count less than 10, document dot write current count plus br count plus increment, then document dot write loop stopped. Set the variables to different values and then try. Here for example, output starting loop. Here you may take an starting loop document dot write, then document dot write loop ends, loop stopped, whatever it may be you write. Document dot write current count, document dot write current count is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, loop stopped. Here you may give an count less than 10. The condition is, when the condition is false, up to 9 the condition is false, then 10 condition is true, then 10 is occurred, the condition is false, then exit the loop. Here you may write here document dot write starting loop and here document dot write loop stopped. Whenever loop stopped, the loop count is else, then loop automatically stops the else part, go to the else part. The do while loop. Do while loop is similar to the while loop, except that the condition check happens the end of the loop. This means that the loop will allow be executed at least once, even if the condition is false. If here do while similar to the while, but here always loop will execute once if the condition is false. If the condition is false or true, if the execute minimum once, loop executes minimum once. The flowchart of a do while loop here. Do condition code while condition. Then code block is executed first, then check the condition, and if condition is true, if condition is true, go to the code block. If condition is false, again go to the condition, and condition is false, get back to the execute the do while. Here you see here, if the condition is false, even though executes the loop block once, definitely. Here syntax for do while. The syntax for do while loop in a JavaScript is as follows. Do statements to be executed while expression. Here take an example, HTML body script mode script type where count is equal to 0, document dot write starting loop plus do document dot write current count plus count increment while count less than 5, document dot write loop stopped. Script set the variables to different values and then try again. Here you may take document dot write starting loop count 0 1 2 3 4, loop stopped. Then for loop, the for loop is the most compact form of looping. It includes the following three important parts: the loop initialization, test statement, and iteration statement. First one, loop initialization, where we initialize our counter to starting a value. The initialization statement is executed before the loop begins. The test statement, which will the test a given condition whether true or false. If the condition is true, then the code given inside the loop will be executed. Otherwise, the control will be come out of the loop. Iteration, where you can increase or decrease your counter. Here you may see flowchart for the loop. Here condition, for condition is true, then conditional code is running, executes, and then check the condition. When the condition is false, the exit from the loop. You may syntax for the loop statement. The syntax for loop statement Java is as follows: for initialization, test condition, iteration statement. Statement to be executed test condition is true. Here HTML, body, script type, text by JavaScript. Here count, document.write, starting loop, as increment, for count is equal to 0. Here count is equal to 0 is the initialization, count less than 10 is the, here you see the test condition, here count less than 10 is the test condition, count plus plus or increment is the iteration statement, document.write current count is equal plus count, document.write break, document.write loop stopped. Here you see how starting loop, loop stopped, ending loop stopped. Then what you can write here, count less than 10. The loop executes up to 10, up to 9. Then when the 10 is reached, the condition is false, then executes the loop here. Then this is the looping for loop. Okay, you go to the, again go to the, check the, once again you check the conditional statements. First one, conditional statement, first one, simple if condition. In simple if condition, the fundamental control statements that allows JavaScript to make decision. The syntax for basic if statement, if expression statements to be executed if expression is true. The flowchart for the simple if statement. Then this is the example for if statement. You may take qualifies for driving age as where age is equal 20. If the age is greater than 18, they are eligible for driving. If the age is less than 18, then age is not qualify for the driving. If else statement. If else statement is control statement that allow JavaScript to execute statements in more controlled way. If expression statements to be executed if expression is true. Else part the executed expression is false. Here flowchart for if else statement. If condition is true, the statement is executed. If condition is false, then the statement is executed. Here example, the same example, check here. Document.write, if age is greater than 18, qualifies for driving, else not qualify for the. Here you may take the else part also. Okay, if else if statement, the same way if else if and switch statement are the same, almost same, a little bit changes. If else if statement, if expression 1 is true, statement to be executed. If else if expression 2 is true, statement to be executed. Else if expression 3 is true, execute the expression 3 statements. Else part statements to be executed. This is the example. If you take a book is equal to maths, book is history, then document write history. Else book is maths, document write maths. The book is economics, document write economics. Else unknown book. Switch statement. Here also same, case 1, case 2, case 3 and case n. If case 1 is true, code black is executed. Case 2 is true, code black 2 is executed. Case 3 is true, code black 3 is executed. Syntax. Switch expression, case condition 1 statements, break, case condition 2 statements, break, case condition n statements. This is the example for statement. Then while looping. Here most basic loop is while loop. While loop is executed, a statement or code block repeatedly as long as an expression is true. Once the expression block is false, the loop terminates. Here while condition code. Here condition is true, the condition is true, code block is executed until the condition is true. Then the condition is false. If condition is false, exit from the loop. This is the syntax. The syntax of while loop is as follows: while expression, statements to be executed if expression is true. Example: document.write string loop while count less than 10, where count less than 10, here you take the count less than 10 up to 9 count, the loop will execute, then loop stopped. Here do while, same, while and do while the same, but here always executes at least once for code block here whenever the condition is false also. Then the first code block is executed, then check the condition. If the condition is false, exit from the looping. If condition is true, again code block is executes. Syntax for while do while, do statements to be executed while expression. This is example. For loop, it is a very important and compact form of looping. If includes the following three important parts: looping initialization, looping testing, sorry, looping initialization, test statements, and then iteration statements. Here you may take an example. Sorry, syntax. The syntax for loop is for initialization, test condition, iteration statements, and then statements executed for test condition. Here HTML body script type where count to document dot write, for count document dot write, document dot write. Here you see, here for loop, here for count is equal to 0, this is initialization. For count is equal to 0, this is initialization. Count less than 10, count less than 10 is conditional statement. Count less than condition, okay, test condition. Then count plus plus or increment, this is for iteration statement. Here you see the iteration statement. In a single for loop, initialization, condition and iteration, three will be included. Then that will be executes and get the result here. This is the execute string where what you can take: count is equal to 0, count less than 10, count increment. Then here variable as count. Here loop is executes, current count will displace 0. Here count is equal to 0. Then plus count, count is equal to 1. Then count is equal to 2, count is equal to 3, and then count is equal to 9. The count is equal to 10, the loop is automatically exit or stopped. Then you will get the output like this, and then loop is stopped. Okay. This is the looping statement. Thank you for watching.